Okay guys, this is a 2024 Ford F150 Platinum. Send you from Real Deal Auto. This is a rebuilt title, had some front end damage. I think it's gonna be a lot minor than all the other ones that you'll see out there. We do show pictures here. That's damaged pictures we will show. Power running boards.
Mention this ad and get 10% off purchase.
11,513 on the miles. Adaptive cruise. Locking diff, four-wheel drive, heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats. Apple CarPlay.
Paid for by auto discount policy. Oh man, my car insurance went up this month. And you're still going to keep that policy? Yeah, I've had the same auto insurance for years. My rate's gone up a little, but that's just how it works, right? I was the same way. Just paid whatever they told me. And they call it auto discount policy.
It does have massage seats.
Hundreds a year. Seriously? Oh yeah, it took me 5 minutes. I called and they compared rates from top providers. They even saved me $650 a year. Wait, $650 just from...
So all your driver assist options. Oh, it does have your park assist, downhill descent, your 360 camera, bed camera, hitch camera. Oh. It does have the trailer package on it, wireless charging, automatic, smart key there, power folding mirrors with blind spots in them. B&O sound system, automatic windows, memory seats. Panoramic sunroof. All weather floor mats. Rear heated seats. All your different power options. Does have your split tailgate on here. Does have your sights, your spray and bed liner. There's the alignment, it's all passed. Super nice platinum F-150. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.